Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Products Reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 14 best outdoor rug options that can instantly upgrade your patio, deck, or camping space with style and comfort. Whether you want something waterproof, reversible, or super durable, I've got you covered with carefully selected Amazon finds. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. GENIMO Outdoor Patio Rug. GENIMO Outdoor Patio Rug is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a stylish yet highly functional outdoor mat. I really like how it combines durability with a modern design that fits almost any outdoor setup, whether it's a backyard patio, balcony, or even a camping site. Made from premium recycled plastic, this rug is lightweight, waterproof, and super easy to clean. You can simply shake off dirt or rinse it with water. It also features UV protection, so the colors won't fade quickly under the sun. Another thing that stands out is its reversible design, giving you two looks in one product. It folds easily, making it travel-friendly. Overall, it's a practical, budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on aesthetics or performance for daily outdoor use. LILIOFFIC Outdoor Patio Rug. The LILIOFFIC Outdoor Patio Rug is all about combining comfort with versatility, and I was genuinely impressed by its premium feel. This rug is crafted from high-quality plastic straws that are soft underfoot, yet tough enough to handle heavy foot traffic. It's waterproof and quick drying, which makes it perfect for unpredictable weather conditions. One feature I love is its breathable weave that prevents moisture buildup underneath. It also comes with UV coating to maintain vibrant colors over time. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry for picnics, beach days, or RV trips. Plus, it folds compactly without taking much storage space. If you want something stylish, durable, and easy to maintain, this rug checks all the boxes for both everyday use and travel adventures outdoors. HEBE Waterproof Outdoor Rug. HEBE Waterproof Outdoor Rug stands out as a reliable option for anyone who wants durability without sacrificing comfort. From my experience, this rug is designed with high-quality polypropylene material that resists stains, moisture, and wear. It's completely waterproof, making it ideal for patios, decks, or even by the pool. What I really appreciate is its tightly woven construction, which gives it extra strength while still feeling soft underfoot. The rug is also reversible, so you can switch up the style whenever you want. Cleaning is effortless. Just rinse with water or wipe it down. It's also lightweight and foldable, perfect for outdoor trips. Overall, HEBE delivers a balance of practicality and design, making it a solid pick for anyone upgrading their outdoor living space easily. Lahome Outdoor Patio Rug. Lahome Outdoor Patio Rug brings a more elegant and cozy touch to outdoor spaces, and I found it perfect for those who care about aesthetics. Unlike typical plastic rugs, this one has a softer fabric-like feel while still being durable enough for outdoor use. It's made with weather-resistant materials that can handle sun exposure and light rain. The non-slip backing is a great addition, especially if you're placing it on smooth surfaces. I also love its intricate patterns that add a decorative vibe to patios or balconies. Maintenance is simple, since it's easy to clean and dries quickly. It's not just functional, but also enhances the overall look of your outdoor setup. If style matters to you, this rug is definitely worth considering. ZonLi Waterproof Outdoor Rug. ZonLi Waterproof Outdoor Rug is built for versatility and long-term performance, and I think it's a great option for both home and travel use. It's made from durable plastic material that resists water, stains, and fading. One thing I noticed is how easy it is to clean. Just hose it down and it looks new again. The reversible design adds flexibility, letting you switch styles depending on your mood or setting. It's also lightweight and comes with a carrying bag, which is perfect for camping or RV trips. The edges are well stitched, preventing fraying even after extended use. Overall, ZonLi delivers a great mix of durability, portability, and visual appeal, making it suitable for a wide range of outdoor environments without any hassle. Yamaziot Outdoor Patio Rug. Yamaziot Outdoor Patio Rug is designed with practicality in mind, and I really appreciate how user-friendly it is. Made from high-quality recycled plastic, this rug is eco-friendly while still offering excellent durability. It's waterproof, stain-resistant, and easy to maintain, making it perfect for busy households. One feature that stands out is its UV-resistant coating, which helps keep the colors vibrant even after long exposure to sunlight. The rug is also reversible, giving you two patterns in one. It folds compactly, making it easy to store or carry for outdoor trips.
Whether you're using it for a backyard setup or camping, it performs reliably. Overall, Yamaziot offers a solid balance between sustainability, durability, and convenience for everyday outdoor use.
Smiry Waterproof Outdoor Rug. Smiry Waterproof Outdoor Rug is a dependable choice for those who want something durable yet comfortable. I like how it's made from tightly woven plastic straws that provide both strength and a soft feel underfoot. It's completely waterproof, so spills and rain aren't an issue at all. Cleaning is super simple. Just rinse it off and let it dry. The rug also features UV protection to prevent fading, which is a big plus for outdoor use. It's lightweight and foldable, making it easy to transport for trips or picnics. Another great feature is its non-slip design, which keeps it stable on different surfaces. Overall, Smiry offers excellent value with a combination of durability, ease of use, and stylish appearance. GENIMO Reversible Outdoor Rug. GENIMO Reversible Outdoor Rug takes everything great about the original and adds even more flexibility. I really like its dual-sided design, which allows you to switch patterns whenever you want a fresh look. Made from recycled plastic, it's eco-friendly, waterproof, and highly durable. It's also resistant to stains and fading, making it ideal for long-term outdoor use. The rug is lightweight and folds easily, so you can carry it anywhere without hassle. Cleaning is quick and easy with just water. It works well for patios, decks, or camping trips. Overall, this rug is perfect if you want a combination of sustainability, style, and convenience in one product without spending too much or compromising on quality. Nourison Aloha Outdoor Rug. Nourison Aloha Outdoor Rug offers a premium feel that really elevates outdoor spaces. Unlike many plastic rugs, this one is made from durable synthetic fibers that mimic the softness of indoor rugs. I love its tropical-inspired designs that add a vibrant and welcoming touch to patios or decks. It's designed to withstand weather conditions, including sun exposure and moisture. The rug is also easy to clean and maintains its shape over time. Its thicker construction provides extra comfort underfoot compared to standard outdoor mats. While it's slightly heavier, that adds to its durability and stability. Overall, Nourison Aloha is perfect if you're looking for a more luxurious outdoor rug that blends comfort with long-lasting performance. MontVoo Reversible Outdoor Rug. MontVoo Reversible Outdoor Rug is all about versatility and convenience, and I think it's perfect for both home and travel use. It features a reversible design that gives you two stylish looks in one product. Made from high-quality plastic material, it's waterproof, durable, and easy to clean. I really like how lightweight it is, making it ideal for camping, picnics, or RV trips. The UV-resistant coating helps maintain its color over time. It also folds compactly, so storage is never a problem. The edges are reinforced to prevent fraying, adding to its longevity. Overall, MontVoo delivers a great mix of style, durability, and portability, making it a reliable option for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. HUGEAR Patio Outdoor Rug. The HUGEAR Patio Outdoor Rug is a practical and budget-friendly option that works well for various outdoor settings. I really like how lightweight it is, making it easy to carry and set up wherever you need it. It's made from durable plastic material that resists water, dirt, and stains effectively. The breathable design allows moisture to pass through, preventing buildup underneath. Cleaning is quick and hassle-free. Just rinse it with water and let it dry. It also features a reversible design, giving you two looks in one rug. The edges are reinforced to prevent fraying over time, which adds to its durability. I found it perfect for patios, decks, camping trips, and picnics. It's a reliable and cost-effective option that delivers solid performance for everyday outdoor use. Moynesa Jute Outdoor Rug. The Moynesa Jute Outdoor Rug offers a natural and stylish look that brings warmth to any space. I really like its woven texture, which gives it a cozy and traditional appearance compared to plastic rugs. It's designed to handle light outdoor use, especially in covered areas like patios or balconies. While it's not fully waterproof, it still performs well when kept in sheltered spaces. Cleaning requires a bit more care, but regular shaking and occasional spot cleaning keep it looking fresh. I found it works great for both indoor and semi-outdoor settings. If you want a rug that focuses more on aesthetics and comfort rather than heavy-duty outdoor use, this one is a great option to enhance the overall look of your space.
Kohree RV Outdoor Rug. The Kohree RV Outdoor Rug is designed for convenience and durability, making it a great choice for outdoor adventures and travel setups. I really like how lightweight and portable it is, allowing you to carry and set it up without any effort. It's made from high-quality plastic material that resists water, dirt, and stains, ensuring it stays clean even in rough conditions. The breathable weave allows moisture to pass through, preventing buildup underneath and keeping surfaces dry. Cleaning is quick and simple. Just rinse it with water and let it air dry. It also comes with corner loops and stakes, helping keep it secure during windy days. I found it perfect for RV camping, picnics, and beach trips. It's a reliable, easy-to-maintain rug that performs well in various outdoor environments. Bsmathom Reversible Outdoor Rug. The Bsmathom Reversible Outdoor Rug offers a great combination of style, durability, and convenience for outdoor use. I really like its reversible design, which gives you two different patterns in one rug, allowing you to switch looks easily. It's made from durable plastic straw material that feels lightweight yet strong enough for regular use. The waterproof construction ensures it can handle spills, rain, and dirt without any problems. Cleaning is very simple. Just rinse it with water and let it dry quickly. It also features UV protection, helping maintain its color even after long sun exposure. I found it works perfectly for patios, camping trips, picnics, and outdoor gatherings. It's a practical and stylish option that delivers solid performance while keeping your space looking clean, fresh, and well organized.
That wraps up my list of the top outdoor rugs you can grab right now to upgrade your space with comfort and style. Whether you're decorating a patio or heading out on an adventure, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and details. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Top Products Reviews for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more top product recommendations.